Did your container just stop working? Hi, I'm Alex, the architect from Back4App, and this is Talking to the Architect. And today we'll be answering Samir231's question. Samir asked, my container just stopped working as the base image got updated. How to proceed? Hi Samir, thank you so much for your question. And well, these things happen from time to time when base containers get updated, as the software contained in that base image gets updated and might become incompatible with the execution of your code. In this case, all you have to do is to change your Docker file to use the latest version of that container to a specific version that knows it works. I'll leave the syntax in the description of the video and also here in the tag, but basically you have to find the latest version that you know that works for your application and set that version instead of latest. So, if you found the video helpful, please click the like button and consider subscribing to the channel so it can help us grow. I also share this link with a friend and they can learn something too. If you are subscribed, thank you for that, and if you have any questions, suggestions, or an implementation you'd like to see, please leave on the comment section down below. We always answer all the questions. I hope this content was useful to you and I hope to see you back. See you soon. Bye bye.